Have you ever found yourself wondering if Lloyds Bank, with its iconic black horse logo, operates beyond the borders of the United Kingdom? It's a common thought, given its strong presence and historical roots in Britain. You see their branches on high streets, their ads on British television, and their name inextricably linked with the UK financial landscape. So, is it purely a British institution, or does the black horse gallop across international territories? For many, Lloyds Bank instantly brings to mind images of quintessentially British banking. Established way back in 1765 in Birmingham, Lloyds has indeed grown to become one of the largest financial services organizations in the UK. They're a household name, serving millions of customers, from individuals managing their daily finances to large corporations. And yes, their main focus and largest operations are undoubtedly within England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, alongside the Channel Islands and the Isle of Man. However, the answer to our initial question isn't a simple yes, only in the UK. While Lloyds Bank's primary retail and commercial banking operations are firmly rooted in the UK, the broader entity, Lloyds Banking Group, does have an international footprint. This isn't about branches on every street corner of the world, but rather targeted international services and historical ventures that paint a more nuanced picture. Historically, Lloyds Bank had a much more extensive international branch network, with operations spanning across Europe, North America, and even parts of the Middle and Far East. For instance, Lloyds Bank, Europe, existed for decades, with branches in major European cities like Paris, Brussels, Geneva, and Monte Carlo. They also had interests in places like New Zealand through the National Bank of New Zealand, and even had a presence in California and Canada at various points. Many of these older, extensive international networks have since been divested or streamlined. Today, while the physical branch network outside the UK is significantly smaller, Lloyds Banking Group still offers international services, primarily through what is known as Lloyds Bank International. This arm of the group caters to specific client needs, such as British expatriates, individuals who need to manage finances across multiple countries and currencies, and those seeking international private banking services. These services are typically delivered digitally or through dedicated international banking hubs, rather than a vast network of traditional high street branches in every country. You might find some of their corporate banking and financial market activities reaching globally, supporting UK businesses with international trade and operations. They have commercial banking offices with capabilities in North America, Asia, and Europe, providing support for businesses with strong links to the UK. But it's important to distinguish these more specialized, corporate functions from widespread retail banking. So, while Lloyds Bank is undeniably a British banking giant, its reach does extend beyond the UK in specific, strategic ways, particularly for international banking services and corporate clients. It's not just a purely domestic entity, but rather a group with a focused international strategy that builds on its strong UK foundation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.